Hi, we will watch how to remove or delete Yahoo search engine from Google Chrome. When I open Chrome, you can see that Yahoo is loading on startup. So first I'm fixing this and bringing Google again. Go to three dots and settings. On startup. Now simply remove or edit this. I'm changing Yahoo to Google. Done. Now another issue is the default search engine. I'm searching for ABCD and it shows results with Yahoo, as you can see. So let's fix it again. Now simply go to search engine and follow me. And Google is again my default search engine. And now if I search again, this comes up with Google default search engine as always. And by this way, you can simply remove any unwanted search engine from your Google Chrome browser and get back to Google. And I hope it's clear to you, and please let me know if you have any query or question. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.